aman kötü. Aman yarabbim. Aa. Uçak bidonu götürüyor.
Eyvah!
Bebekler var arabada. Bana bak. Oy kurban olurum yavrum size. Allah'ım. Allah'ım sen koru.
In Mudanya, carts and cars were swept away by the flood, land and sea merged today. Heavy rains and flooding in Bursa crippled life in Mudanya as well. Floodwater drags cars, land, and sea together. The police came to rescue the driver who was trapped in the flood in Gemlik. The flood at around 15:30 had made the river overflow, especially the Halit Peza and Merpay neighborhoods were hit by heavy rain. The main roads in Mudanya were also flooded. In Halit Peza neighborhood, land and sea are united by flood waters. Several cars are also damaged by being swept away by flood currents. Muskie, firefighters, and the AFAD team were deployed to open the clogged manholes and help those trapped. It was reported that there were no injuries or fatalities in the district, and that there was material damage.
Ne oldu? Oraya ne olmuş kız? O yüksek araba biz gidemeyiz. Değil mi?